How to use vinegar for termites. Termites are a particular problem for homeowners in many areas of the United States. In the United States, about 85% to 90% of all termite damage is caused by subterranean termites that attack anything made of wood, including fencing and dead timber, as well as flowers and crops. Serious infestations are common in Alabama, Georgia, and Tennessee. Killing these pests is an urgent matter for many, with vinegar being a particularly potent weapon. Things you'll need: vinegar, lemon juice, spray bottle. Mix half a cup of vinegar with the juice of 2 lemons. Pour the vinegar and lemon juice into a spray bottle. This will make it easier to dispense in affected areas. Spray the mixture onto any entrance holes or termite mounds you come across. Also spray onto any surfaces termites might attack, like wooden structures or garden fences, as well as corners of buildings termites might eat into. The mixture will seep through the cracks and holes and kill the termites. Check to see if the termites have been eliminated after a few days. If not, repeat this process. Tips: warnings. This natural pesticide is more pet-friendly than other pesticides you can buy, which can be hazardous to cats and dogs.